Assalamu alaikum. In previous tutorial Houdini, we have covered these three elements of the Houdini. The one is viewport, one is network view, and the one is parameter window. And in the last video we have added three elements. One is light. I'm going to add it quickly. One is camera, and one is geometry. So double click on GeoNode, press tab, then search for test, then add rubber toy. So we got our rubber toy, and the thing I want you to show is about camera. So we go back to the object mode, and we can see our camera is here. So go to the no camera and select the cam 1. So when I zoom out in camera view, it's out of the camera. So you have to press this lock camera light to view. So you can view this in camera view. This is for now. And one more thing, if you want to add more geometries like tab, sphere, and shift tab, box, you can see we cannot see them just because they are not in preview mode. So this right button is for preview. So when I click this, we can view sphere and box. We can also merge this by adding merge node. And when we preview merge node, we can see we got all of these here. So for now, thanks for watching. Allah.